The urban water cycle describes the movement of water through human use, all the way from Beaver Lake to your homes. We're going to highlight that process as well as career opportunities that you can tap into. Water, it connects us all. From source water to drinking water to water resource recovery, there's a career for everyone.
Our mission here is simple but very critical. It's to provide safe, economical drinking water for our customers. Our customers consist of the cities of Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, and Bentonville, serving a population of almost 400,000 people. Here at Beaver Water District, we have a tremendous number of job opportunities. And if we just start at the source, Beaver Lake, we protect that source as best we can.
Where the photic zone is, that's where all the biology is happening. So he's getting the top, the middle, and the bottom ends of that photic zone.
Opportunities in our environmental quality department that include biology, biological sciences, environmental science.
Our administration department involves the public affairs department, our executives, finances, HR, and education and outreach.
Our engineering department is always looking to the future and making sure we're able to address the ever-growing demands for water in Northwest Arkansas as the population increases rapidly.
We also then move into the treatment itself, and we have what I refer to as kind of the point of the spear, and those are our operators. And they provide the daily operation for the process and the pumping of all of our systems here at the district. In support of those operators, we have our maintenance supervisors.
We do everything here from mow the grass to pull pumps, rebuild gearboxes. Our department does all the mechanical aspects of everything, and we have an electrical department that does the electrical stuff.
Cybersecurity is very important, and our information systems does a great job of keeping us safe.
Through the work of our education and outreach, we will continue to work with our 4 customer cities to make sure that the water we produce here at Beaver Water District is delivered every day to your homes and businesses. We will continue to do that by making sure that we protect our greatest resource, which is Beaver Lake.
We want to provide reliable water and sewer and meter services to our customers to ensure dependability, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. So we serve a multitude of communities. We serve not only Fayetteville, we serve Johnson, Greenland, part of Goshen, Farmington. I don't know what the populations of all those communities combined is, but it's quite a few in Northwest Arkansas. As water goes through our collection system, it goes through one of 2 types of sewer mains, whether it's gravity flow or force main. Gravity mains flow obviously via gravity, but then force mains, they're pressurized from our sewer pump stations. Both of these lines ensure that the wastewater can make it to one of our wastewater resource recovery facilities where it's treated, disinfected, and then we discharge it back into the watershed for the process to start all over again. We have 2 wastewater recovery resource facilities, one on the east side of town, one on the west side of town.
It is an average 10 million gallon per day plant. Biological removal, so the flow comes in from some major lift stations, goes into the headworks where it removes the trash and the inert material, goes through the biological treatment, which are oxidation ditches, goes through the sand filters, disinfection with UV radiation, and then gets discharged to Goose Creek, which goes to the Illinois River.
So we have an office staff that does an incredible job. They field hundreds of phone calls a day. So we have a utility financial services department, and they handle all of our billing. So they deal with water charges, sewer charges, solid waste charges. As mentioned, our maintenance workers, and they're the folks with the boots on the ground in the field. We have pump and tank technicians. They deal with anything with our water tanks or our water pumps at our pump stations. Our industry is it's really incredible. I mean, when you work with water and wastewater, you have a direct impact on the community, and that's what I really like.
I'd like to tell you about one of the most essential resources in the world that I and many professionals at Springdale Water have the honor of working with every day: water. And the incredible process water goes through from Beaver Lake to the faucet at our home and back into the lakes and rivers. It starts with water being pumped to our tank site. Then engineers and staff design, review, and inspect tens of thousands of feet of mains that will deliver and collect the essential product to our over 120,000 citizens in our service area. Once the treated water reaches our customers' taps, personnel will install meters. Licensed distribution operators work to maintain these water lines and repair the system whenever breaks occur. The water is then collected into pipes until it arrives at our 24 million gallon a day advanced treatment facility, where it is then treated to a very low nutrient level. One unique aspect of our advanced treatment facility is our state-of-the-art biosolids dryer. This process turns the waste into a Class A EQ biosolid, which can be reused in ways similar to topsoil. Many professionals in the office, like IT, HR, finance, administration, and customer service reps, take payments and answer questions. So, the next time you get a drink from your faucet, remember the incredible process water goes through and the professionals that make it possible.
Our mission is to serve as water and wastewater professionals, providing consistent, reliable, and sustainable services for citizens of Bentonville. Over water utilities, which includes 3 specific departments, our water utilities, sewer rehab, and wastewater departments. We are vital in protecting the public health and the environment through effective processes. In partnership with the community, we pledge to deliver municipal services in a professional, personal, responsive manner. We're in the ballpark of about 100,000 people served with water. We've got over 370 miles of water distribution mains, and those are various sizes. That delivers everything to our customers. Once the customers have used the water and dispose of it, then it ends up in the sewer collection system, and we've got over 500 miles of sewer collection. Takes that water down to treatment facilities.
The City of Bentonville's Water Resource Recovery Facility treats on average 3.5 million gallons daily. So we're in the initial phase of a $97 million process intensification and plant expansion project. Once this project is completed, we will more than have doubled our capabilities as far as how much we can treat.
The water industry is exciting because it's new every day. We obviously have some big industries here, and we're supporting them. They provide us with some challenges, but they provide us with some great opportunities. That's our goal, is to serve.
Our mission is to provide safe, dependable water to our valued customers. Rogers Water Utilities has careers from construction to IT to engineering, lab personnel, and field operations, and even more that aren't mentioned. All of those careers are extremely valued and with hardworking personnel. The wastewater treatment facility is designed to treat 14 million gallons a day.
The partial flume, this is the final process of the wastewater treatment plant. This is the effluent water that's already going to the creek.
Make sure that we meet and exceed, the water quality that's leaving out into the Osage Creek, which eventually reaches the Illinois River.
We distribute, on average, through the year, 10 million gallons of water a day. I'm a SCADA technician for Rogers Water Utilities. Our department is responsible for all of the data and how it communicates between our water towers, our office, as well as to the Beaver Water facilities. We're also responsible for the operation and maintenance of all of our other Rogers Water Utility facilities. This includes electrical, mechanical pumps, and instrumentation.
This one will read for, I'd say, 80 to 100 yards max.
We have field operations that are going on 24/7, 365, from water breaks to down communications. It's nights, it's weekends, it's holidays, and I think everyone here still does it with a smile on their face.
The interconnections of the Beaver Lake and Illinois River watersheds are essential in Northwest Arkansas to the urban water cycle. bringing drinking water to us and carrying wastewater away to be reused further downstream. The need to preserve this great resource, Beaver Lake, for future generations is the driving force behind the good work done in the water industry in Northwest Arkansas. To learn more about the urban water cycle and careers in the water industry, visit our website at bwdh2o.org. Here's to clean water.